me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here.
Just finished watching Super Pets. Really good movie. Really freaking good movie. I'm looking at Katie right now because like she's just stuffing her face with food.
No, stop it.
I like the movie.
It was good. I liked it. It was cute.
What's your favorite part?
I don't know if I had a favorite part, but I think like my favorite little thing was the turtle.
The turtle?
Yeah, I like the
turtle
turtle.
was nice. My favorite part of the movie, because my favorite DC character is Batman. Favorite part of the movie was when Batman and the dog was like thinking if they're gonna be together or not, and they turned their life story together, and it went dark. Yeah, that was the best part to me in the movie. But the turtle was really funny. She kept cussing in the movie. I'm like, what? She's cussing in the movie.
She's like, where the beep am I? Like, that was funny. Yeah, it was really cute. I wonder if some people will be mad about that. Like, they're cussing in kids' movies. But it's like, they're not.
Karens.
What's wrong, baby? What happened? Gabriel?
Alright, so she just kept trying to she kept using the sink with the chair, and she was there for like at least more than 10 minutes. So I was like, alright, you gotta get down, because she just kept using water. So I got her down and she just started whining.
Did he tell on you? Are you okay now? Are you okay? You want to give your brother a hug? Hey, Gabriel, give you a hug?
No.
Oh, that's what I like. All right, now hit him in the face. Hit him in the face. Oh.
Right now it's raining, and it usually doesn't rain out here because we're in the desert. If you guys didn't know, we're in the desert, and it's just like raining outside. I'm kind of happy to see rain because since we moved from Arkansas, I really haven't seen rain.
They're going to put the goal down because of the fact that
It's blowing everywhere. There, it's better. The wind is blowing like crazy out here.
you see the rain. You want to go out there?
No.
You want to go see the rain?
Huh?
You want to go out there and see the rain?
No.
Let's go. Come on. You're scared? Are you scared? You don't like the rain? You don't like to get wet? There you go. Come here. How's that feel? You like it? You want to dance? Let's dance. Come on, let's dance. Yay! You like it? Are you ready to go back inside?
No, Dada.
You want to stay outside?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let me see you dance. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. That's cold. That's cold. That's cold. You gonna go back out there? All right, I'm coming. I'm coming. Don't go in the dirt though. Okay, Daddy going back in.
No.
Come on. Come on, let's go. Tell Apex to come. Come on, Apex, let's go. Uh-oh.
So apparently Devin loves the rain, and Apex too. Apex, you coming in, bro? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. You coming in, bro? Come on. Now, Apex want to stay out there, bro. We don't see rain like this. It's crazy. We don't see rain like this. Look.
She's trying to get Apex to come back inside. Apex is like,
I love the rain.
Apex, you got water in your bowl right here, bro.
Such a beautiful thing to see rain. Telling you guys, we haven't seen rain since Arkansas. Like really, maybe some parts, but like bro, like it doesn't rain out here like that in the desert. Like oh, yeah, what's up? What you doing? Dance in the rain? Let's dance. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh. 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 My grill. Oh, it's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. All right, Devin, it's raining harder now. Look at that. It's raining harder. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that rain is tough right now. Woo. You see it? Oh, yes. Is it up there? Oh, my gosh. Look at that rain. Come on, Apex. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Apex. Let's go. We're done. We're done out here. It's flooding where the basketball goal is. Yeah. I never seen rain out here like this. This is crazy. This is new to me. We've been out here for a year. This is new to me. Whew. Bro, it is literally flooding right here. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh, it's hitting harder. Oh, it's hitting harder. Hey, Lyric, you like the rain?
Yeah.
You haven't seen the rain in a long time, huh?
This one is windy and it's got all rain.
Oh, yeah? Look, it's flooding over here. No, it's not about to flood, but it's flooding right here, though. Yeah, it's flooding over there, bro. It's flooding right there, bro. Let me see you jump in it. White people. Oh, shoot. Mixed people. You ready, Devin? Let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh, it's super cold out here. It's super cold out here. Oh my gosh, my shirt. You see the cars? They are driving slow. The cars are driving slow. Y'all good? Devin, you good? It's raining harder. Let's go. I am super wet. I am super wet. It's not even cool. Look at me.
I don't want to be hit by lightning.
You're not. You ready to go in?
No.
You ready to go in, Devin?
No. I talked to the boat, but I want to get more stuff.
You going with her? You going with her? Don't lick the wall. What are you doing? We just came back in because of the rain was so crazy. The girls had fun. I think Gabriel had fun jumping in the puddle or whatever. But anyway, it was cool. It was cool. So we're gonna change and all this stuff, and then we will see you guys when Kalia and Katie get home.